So the plan was to go to Ross. One, it's mad dark at 6 o'clock. And two, it started raining out of nowhere. Hey guys. So it's Wednesday. I'm feeling a little bit better. I thought this whole week I was going to have to do like a voiceover, but I'm starting to feel better. It's like just now 7 o'clock at night. My mom has Cole. Like, we had this whole plan and we were going to go to church and then come back here and chill. Church got canceled and for Bible study, and she was like, we're going to our house, and that meant her house, and they didn't want to leave, and I didn't blame them because it was raining and cold, so they had made it there before I even made it back into town because I work out of town. So I was like, oh, okay, well then I guess I'll just go home and finish doctoring myself up. So that's what I'm doing. I've been making shorts for this week of just recaps so that I didn't have to be on camera because I really just didn't feel well, and I still kind of don't. I'm feeling better, but I'm still tired, and I've still been going to work because I didn't have fever or anything. But okay, I really wanted to try this because for a lot of Vlogmas I've had to use my phone, but I can't use the back camera because then I can't see if I'm in the shot. And I had this, I bought it, and I never used it, and honestly I can't even remember why I bought it. I think I just saw one YouTuber talk about it and said that like it was so awesome. I didn't know it was like a little viral thing, so I wanted to try it and see if it improves the shot on the front camera. Let me see. I think this is the on button. Okay, let's see. Oh wow. Oh wow. So I remember now why I got it. I got it for reels that I was doing, like shorts, hair content that I was doing. I was like, oh, I need like a little light because I was using my phone to do vertical video. Hold on, I think there's different settings. Okay, that one's more like white, like that combats with the warm light that I have in my house. And that's the other thing, like all the lighting in my house is warm, and I want to change it out to this kind of lighting so it looks more bright. But I also don't want to waste these bulbs. So I'm like, once they go out, we're just going to reset all of them. But let me see. That's already kind of like the warmness I have in here. And that's like the combo, the two. Anyways, yeah, so that's all I'm doing tonight is just kind of picking up, cleaning up, because the clothes that I washed all day Saturday, half of them got put up, half of them didn't, and they ended up in a pile. And then I just have the gifts and stuff. I guess I can show y'all. Hold on, let me sit this here. I'm mad that this is like the first time I'm using this because I really, really like this. So hold on. One place that I have been sleeping on here lately is Burlington. And my mom was in there and she sent me a picture of a cup that was so cute that she got. And I was like, see if they have any more because it has like the initials. And I tried my hardest to find more, and I was like, search, and I might go back tomorrow just in case. So I'm not taking the tags off of any, but I wanted to find everyone's initials. That was wishful thinking. I have one lady whose last name starts with R and one lady whose first name starts with R, and I was like, I'm not sure who I'm going to give this to, but I think I know, but I'm not sure. So I have this one. I've been back and forth on these gifts, y'all, and I really just don't want to do gift cards this year because I do gift cards every year. And while it's such a good and easy gift, I like to personalize my gifts. So I did not do that. I just gave them things that I've like heard them talk about, like, or I know that they would like. This one is a mug and a sock set. And I liked this because one, every year we wear Christmas socks as one of our themed days. So that's that. Two, I got foot mask and face mask off of Amazon. And so it's like kind of like the little care package when you're going home. and you are like taking your 2 weeks off, propping your feet up and just enjoying. And the other thing that I came up with for these gifts was I kind of surveyed and like asked teachers, I was like, what would be the best gift you would get for somebody? And then I asked other teachers who are parents, and I'm like, what are you getting your teachers this year? She was like, girl, I'm on a budget. I can't this year. And the other one was like, oh, probably just a gift card, like a $15 gift card. And some of them were like, oh, I would love to get like cozy socks and this. And so I showed them, I have this whole list written out of everything that I've gotten for them. They're like, oh my God, that's such a good idea. Because it's like the baskets you can buy in store, but they're more personalized. So it's not just random candies that people aren't going to eat and stuff like that. So yeah, that's my thoughts. So this, y'all, I swear I thought she said this was a cup. This is just socks and lotion. I don't know. Okay, here it is. This one has a cup, socks, and the lotion, and the cozy scarf is going to be the Christmas gift one for Friday. And the cup just says believe. So she got 2 of the cozy sock ones, and this one came undone. But I want the mug because like they have hot chocolate and the cocoa bombs, and so that's why I wanted the mug. So I'll probably take these back and look for the mugs. And then tonight I found 2. So I thought this one was really cute because one of the ladies drinks a lot of, oh, it's chipped. Okay, it's got to go back. And then there's this one that says peace, love, and joy. So this one was such a cute one, such a cute idea, but it's already chipped. So we're not gonna be able to keep that one. But I thought that was cute. So I think I'm gonna take these back. I thought I really had like everything I needed, and now I'm realizing I don't. So back to the drawing board, but this is the idea. Like I want to find cute personalized mugs for everyone. So I'm actually going to keep these 3 and take the rest of these back and start over. But yeah, so I have the one at least for Friday that I need, and I have 3 for 3 of the baskets. The thing is, I live in one town that's like 30 minutes away from where I work, and where I work has a better Burlington, so I'm gonna have to stop there tomorrow on the way home from work and then kind of see what they have, because if they have more of these, that would be so cute because it goes kind of with the theme of the baskets. So yeah, that's all for tonight, guys. I'm tired. I will see y'all in the morning. Okay, so I put 3 things in here. I put the cookies, the camera, and the little toy that you put the cards in. And I want to see if Cole notices. Like I tried to leave this out a little bit and see if he notices anything in here. And if he does, I'll let him like pick something out to go ahead and have for now, because he's been trying to get in the room with his toys. Like he knows something's in the room and he knows I've kept the door closed. So he's like trying to get in there to see what's in there that he could get into, because he got into his toys at my mom's house. So all right, guys, so I got a few more of the cups. Like I went back to a different one this time, so I kept these, and then I got 4 more to complete my 6. And then I need to get the gift ready for tomorrow, because the party is tomorrow evening, and I don't think I'm gonna be able to come home because I have to get Cole first and drop him off. So I think I decided on this and like wrap the scarf around it real cute. So I just need this and a bag. But I'm kind of tired. Like I literally just got done eating because I had to put Cole to sleep, and he woke up like twice. I think he was just really restless and tired, and he woke up a few times. So let's see what kind of cute bags I got. I think that one's gonna be, well, might not be too big. Hold on, let's see. Yeah, I think that's too much space for that one. Hold on. All right, I think this bag might be better because then I can roll the scarf and put it in here and then just put tissue paper. Oh, and then the sweatshirt and the shirt came in. Y'all, they are so cute. I low-key want to buy me one for next year because they're so cute and they feel so soft, y'all. So yeah, here's that and the scarf. And I don't know if I want to like roll it really cute around it or just rolled it up real cute. So the thing is, I'm using a plain bag because we play the left-right game where you're supposed to pass the bag. And a lot of years, the game gets kind of crazy and the bags get torn. And then you don't want like the bag to be recognizable or anything like that. So that's why it's kind of just plain. Let me see if I can... No, if I turn that, it'll make it worse. Hold on. All right, we are good to go for tomorrow. I'm just going to sit this by the front door and then we will worry about the rest of this hot mess later. Hey y'all, so it is late Friday night. I was sitting here editing the rest of this vlog and I was like, what happened to the last clip? Like I had came home, kind of recapped my day, talked about the Christmas party, can't find it. And I'm wrapped in this blanket because I'm sitting here with my nightgown on and I was like, I'm not getting dressed just to film this. So yeah, I just wanted to come close this out. I will update y'all tomorrow as far as what I got for the Christmas party, and because we played a game where you bring a gift and then you play a game left, right, and you get a new gift at the end. So I did get a cute gift, but I'm going to give it to my mom. And I got the rest of like all the stuff for the baskets. So I will be putting that video up soon of how I put the baskets together and like the vision for that. But yeah, that is all for this week. Thank y'all for like chilling with us for this like random week, because I know it was not a vlog every day, but it was definitely helpful for me so I could get back well. But we will see y'all for day 16 tomorrow. Bye guys.